In a world racing toward the future, two extraordinary breakthroughs out of China are reshaping the way we think about robots, not as cold machines locked in factory lines, but as intelligent, adaptable beings that can cook your dinner or learn on the fly just like you and me. Let's begin with something that sounds straight out of a sci fi movie, but actually happened just days ago in 2025. A humanoid robot named Atom cooked a steak in the eastern province of Shandong, guided not by pre programmed instructions but by a human engineer sitting over 1,100 miles away in Guangdong using nothing more than a VR headset and motion controls. This is Dobot Robotics' masterpiece, a humanoid with 28 degrees of freedom, 5 fully articulated fingers, and the uncanny ability to mimic human motion with a precision of just 0.05 millimeters. In the demonstration, Atom flawlessly mirrored every gesture of the operator in real time, patting the steak dry, pouring oil, flipping it gently in the pan, and even sprinkling salt with surprising finesse. But what truly sets this moment apart isn't just the cooking, it's the sheer distance involved, over 1,800 kilometers of latency prone internet lines, and yet the robot responded like it was just inches away. That's a giant leap from what companies like Tesla or Boston Dynamics have showcased so far. While others focus on autonomous performance or short range telepresence, Dobot has cracked the code for real time remote humanoid labor. This level of control means robots like Atom could soon be deployed in high risk zones, nuclear plants, disaster relief areas, even on space stations where human hands might never reach. And what's more, this tech isn't locked away in a lab. Atom is already being sold for around $27,500, bringing this once distant dream within arm's reach for hospitals, labs, even homes. But Dobot's innovation is only half the story. Across the country in Hefei, another revolution is unfolding quietly, but just as powerfully. Welcome to China's first robot school, a facility where robots aren't built, they are trained. Like students in a classroom, they are learning how to use tools, handle unexpected objects, and even turn screws, all by watching a human teacher guide them using a VR headset and motion controllers. This isn't about simulation, it's not a digital sandbox where robots play pretend. This is real world learning. Robots undergo 200 physical actions per day, each recorded and fed into their machine learning models, teaching them to generalize from one example to many. It's not just about tightening a specific screw, but learning how to adapt when the screw is a different size, shape, or position. Most robotic training systems today rely heavily on simulations. OpenAI, Nvidia, even Tesla often train their models in virtual environments that don't quite reflect the chaos of real life, but Hefei's robot school flips the script by letting robots struggle with dropped tools, uneven floors, unexpected variables. It's raw, it's messy, and it's exactly what robots need to grow truly autonomous. Strategically, this move changes everything. Smaller Chinese robotics firms now have access to shared infrastructure, advanced training environments, and scalable data pipelines without needing millions in capital. In effect, China is democratizing humanoid robotics training while standardizing the learning process across an entire ecosystem. China isn't just building robots, it's building a robotic workforce infrastructure, combining telepresence for precision tasks today with self trained autonomous agents for tomorrow. We're looking at a hybrid human machine model where some robots will be operated from afar like avatars, while others will act independently after being schooled in real world environments. This is the beginning of something huge, not just for China, but for the global robotics race. It could redefine the way we work, how we care for others, how we explore space, and how we coexist with intelligent machines. If you are fascinated by humanoid robots, telepresence technology, and the future of AI powered labor, this is only the beginning. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe to Dezen for more deep dives into emerging tech and hit that notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. And let us know your in comments below.